Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. Welcome back for the next part of our Worship Hula to You Are My Strength. In today's video, we are going to learn the chorus to this song. Let's take a look at the lyrics. In the fullness of your grace, in the power of your name, you lift me up, you lift me up. Now the footwork is going to be 2 sets of kaholo, right and left. Then we're going to point our right foot, leaning forward, then back, followed by 4 ka'o, right, left, right, left. Let's walk through the feet together. Beginning with your right foot forward, kaholo, right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4, right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, step forward, right, 2, lean back, 3, 4, ka'o, right, left, right, and left. Now let's try it with the music, just the feet.
In the fullness of your grace, in the power of your name, you lift me up, you lift me up. Let's sing Unfailing love.
Now let's learn the hand motions. In the fullness of your grace, bring both hands above your head, wave them together, and pull them out to the sides. Turn your palms over and slowly circle both, crossing over your head once, and again bring out to sides. In the power of your name, this is the sign for power. Both bent arms have fists, swing to the right and bring down to the center. The sign for name, left out, right arm back over your head, your index and middle finger together, bring your right over your head forward and cross at the center. You lift me up, bring both hands down to your sides and slowly raise forward as you lean and hold it high. You lift me up, bring both down, bring them up your chest and both out to the center, forward with your palms up. Now let's try hands and feet together to the music.
In the fullness of your grace, in the power of your name, you lift me up, you lift me up. Let's sing Unfailing.
Now let's put it all together, dancing verses 1, 2, and the chorus.
You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other, reaches to me. You are my hope, hope like no other, hope like no other, reaches to me. In the fullness of your grace, in the power of your name, you lift me up, you lift me up. Let's sing Unfailing.
for tuning in today with iHula Hawaii. I hope you have enjoyed this Worship Hula. Please give a thumbs up if you have. Share it with someone who might need encouragement. Subscribe if you haven't. And until we see each other again, ahui ho.